Whoa. It's been forever since I've actually been to the beach. Crazy, since I used to live in an island where there was beach literally everywhere you looked. I never told you. Yup. I was living the island life. It had its charms. Unfortunately, the beaches weren't really that great on the island I lived on, but it isn't like I could have controlled that. You see, there was a touristy side of the island, and honestly, they probably had the better beaches, but I hate it when beaches are super crowded, so I never bothered going. Instead, I stayed on the local beaches around me, and most of those had coral in them. You had to either be careful where you step, or wear those swimming shoes. Sounds great, right? Let me make sure I have everything in my bag before we go out there, pick out a spot, and then I realized my dumbass forgot something. Sunscreen, towels, water, snack, because I always get fucking hungry. I should probably wear my sunglasses. Do you want yours, lovely? Alright, here you are. Looking good, as always. Of course I'm serious. You know the reason I'm with you, right? It's for your looks. Just kidding. You're very handsome, lovely, but I'm just not that shallow. Nope, I'm not. Or at least I'd like to think I'm not. I mean, I'm me, so clearly I'm biased, and you're my first and hopefully only boyfriend, so the only relationship I can analyze is ours. Now, come along. I have everything I need. Oh, sure. You can put your keys in the bag. I'm sure it'll be safe in my beach tote. Huh? I mean, any spot is good to me as long as it isn't surrounded in trash or other people. Though, a little shade would be nice. It's not like we have an umbrella or anything, and I burn too easy to be sitting out in the sun for hours on end. Oh, it'll be beyond having a tan girlfriend. You'll end up with a bright red toasty girlfriend. And then you won't be able to touch me because it'll sting. And we can't have that because that'll put an end to cuddles for a good while. Do you like that spot? Works for me. Do you think you could help me put sunscreen on my back when I finish laying out my towel? Look, I know it sounds like something spicy, but in actuality, it's just difficult to do on my own. Though, if you want, I can help you put yours on too. You're up first, though. Let me move my hair out of the way. Sorry. A little colder than I thought it would be. Oh, haha. I'm not scared of sunscreen. It just took me off guard. That's all. Oh, and make sure you get everything. I remember one summer I kept missing the area between my shoulder blades, and it did not end well. I'm sorry, I can't stop moving. It tickles. I don't know. I'm not used to being touched, especially around my neck. Done? Oh, thank God. No, I think I'll be okay attending to the rest of my body, but thanks for the offer, love. All right, all done. Do you still need me to help you out? Of course you do. Turn around. Well, it's not cold to you since you've already been using it. It isn't a surprise like it was to me. Uh-huh. That's my reasoning, and I'm sticking by it. There you go. We're all safe from the sun now. Well, at least until we have to reapply, but that doesn't matter right now. What are you going to do first? Swim? Sunbathe? Make a castle? Or bury yourself in sand, I guess? Impossible. You can't make a sand shark. It's hard enough to make a basic bitch castle, and you expect me to believe you're going to make a shark? Sorry to crush your dreams, lovely, but it isn't gonna happen. Well, while you're proving yourself as a sand shark master, I'm gonna go swimming. Pretty silly to come to the beach in swimsuits without going swimming at all. Firstly, I need to get this pesky cover-up off. And weigh it down before it flies away, and then I have to make a fool out of myself running down the beach chasing down a skirt. I thought you were going to be busy making a point. Now you want to join me? You shouldn't change your mind just because I'm going in the water. Oh, shush, you flirt. Wrong S word. I look silly, not sexy. Why do you think I came here covered up? It's to shield everyone from how silly I look. Oh my god, that's so corny. I didn't cover up to save everyone from burning up from how smoking hot I am. Stupid. Well, yeah, it made me laugh. I always laugh at your really epic jokes, lovely. We are a pair of dorks, after all. Uh-huh. Can't deny that. Now, Saya, will you please release me so I may drown myself in the ocean blue? Thank you. You really changed your mind about the sand shark, didn't you? Love, you know I was joking about drowning myself, right? I'm not the best at swimming, but I know enough to survive. Plus, I'm not going out far enough to drown anyway. Doubt I could in 5 feet of water. I'm not that short. All right. If you want to keep me safe, I'm certainly not going to fight you over it. I just have a sneaking suspicion you're following me for a different reason. Of course, of course. Simply innocent concern. Water feels nice on a hot day like this. Don't you think? Glad we agree. Good God. That wave almost wiped me out. You know, I would be the type to walk out here and immediately wipe out. It's happened before. I was on vacation with my family and we went to this really nice but constantly wavy beach. Long story short, I wiped out twice. First time a wave took me under and scared me, even though I wasn't even in deep water. The second time, a wave stole my fucking sunglasses. So at the end of the day, my sunglasses were gone, I inhaled water, and I had a headache. Not a good day at all. Pretty sure I conked out the minute I got back to the hotel. I'll try not to make a repeat. I mean, we are having dinner together later, so that'll give me motivation to stay awake. Look, you know I adore you, but food is food, and food tastes good, so yeah, the food is my motivation. Did you just splash me? That one I deserved. Admittedly, that was a pretty dumb question. But I'm going to have the last laugh. Alright, truce. I call a truce. Yeah, you got salt water in both my eyes, so you've practically taken me out. I hate the way it stings, so you agree to the truce? Do I really have to say it to make you stop? Fine then. My boyfriend is the sweetest and most wonderful man in the world, and the master of making sand sharks. Was that good enough? More enthusiasm? Okay then. My boyfriend, who I'm in love with, is the bestest, sweetest, and most... What? I was giving it my all. I adore you. You heard me. I adore you. You're my favorite person to spend time with, and you just make everything feel okay. Is that too much? I'm glad it isn't. Now I'm going to go back to our things and wipe the stinging salt water out of my eyes, and you can finally show me your sand crafting? Sculpturing? I don't know the word for it. Essentially, you can go make things in the sand, and I'll clap. Does that sound good? Good.